good or okay that's in you as women now. And
Vio and Justin and the rest, and to all our partners. Ma'am Tony is a motivational speaker, so she will bring out the best in you. Up to you to listen intently for you to be able to absorb what is really the intent of the message being instilled in you.
beyond personal development, empowering.
Thank you very much.
Ang mga offices.
Please join me in welcoming the radiant and empowering Miss Tony Miranda.
Woohoo! Thank you so much. Good morning, everyone. I'm looking at your smile.
Upbeat, not the upbeat or beaten up. So again, when you enter the room,
Salamat. Thank you. Okay. When you enter a room like this, or enter a room that has few people, regardless of the size, do they observe you as someone who is confident?
Ladies of Bago City. Today, we will learn and crush limiting beliefs and other trainings or formatting and programming that you gain that have actually distorted your view of yourself and your view of your
Yeah? Use your own dialect, though. There's always one side only. We cannot be doing scientific only. Yes. Kasi gusto niya, ikaw mag-appreciate sa kanya. Basag na. Hindi na makakatawid yung weekend nila. Have you ever planned? I can really say, I've wasted years. Talk about it even when you're not gusto ko yun na tao. Maski ang dami niya pinagdadaanan. Maski nakaliwat ka na para pero tayo may challenges. Personal me, I love that. I will open my mind. I will open my heart. Go! To become, wow, nag-i-improve. You, from time to time, naman siya compliment of hands. Now, minsan umaatak sa mga.
I think money is of my weaknesses.
You want to leave an inspiring legacy? Needed most now.
what?
Before, gusto ko yun yung huli yung satisfaction. Pilihan niya.
Stresses with conviction. Communication, expressing
Expressing your self-esteem at the same time, create. So, I will go through the tissue. A declamation, was it a performance? So, up to...
Hello, so we are now on day 1, merienda, morning snack. So I have here, I don't know how to describe, biko and kakanin. Yay! Yum, yum, yum!
Looking for more excitement and more...
So far, yung first part po ng masaya, may sacrifice.
Gusto ko yun eh. Kita ko sa mata niyo yung smile, vacation. So, where your beliefs come from.
May pagdala tayo, may pinagdala.
I tell you what, to be stopped just because of a certain lack of confidence. That your brain can be rewired, which what we are doing now, and how to stop.
Will not delay time.
Make sure na, hindi maputo sa katabi.
Inspire ko kayo habang let it go! Let it go! Will never bother me every day. Yay!
Mga nag-guest now, meaningless.
Wow, you can really do it. Yes, dance. Yes, dance.
Okay. Alam niyo na, pag sinabi, ano sasayo na? Don't worry, because we can do it now. City or municipality next. That's how you want to be. Sige na, trip ko yan. Go, go, go. Both here. Galing. How about this side? Right here.
Office lang ako. Ano mga dapat yung mga... Actually, lunch break na!
Oh, wait.
Yes!
Special yung tao. conversation outside your bedroom.
To make you look tall.
Sorry ka? Okay. Pero hindi lang ako merong charisma ng household chores nila. May iba gumagawa na negosyo. There's an effort just because na hindi respect ang diversity. Okay? X, pag hindi pa sayo.
Fail.
Dito siya or grade siya. Okay? Tayo mo lang kayo. Most of them self-management. Agree? All the awards. Or that is your perceived height. Perceived na. So, mag-sample lang kayo sa cellphone nyo. Let's see. Or hindi rin nakabata. These are food. Dapat walang hawak natin alam before yan. Mukhang healthy. Pansin, apple is